Hey everybody, since I'm working in my office today, I'm working with a lot of design clients, I have got a special guest for you. She's going to show you how she decorated her kitchen for the fall.
Hey everyone, as you can see, I'm not Jennifer. I am Alice, Jennifer's daughter-in-law, but I would love it if you would follow along with me today as I decorate my kitchen for fall, and I'll give you 5 easy tips on how to maintain a tidy kitchen. Come on, let's go. Okay, so for the first tip I'm going to give you, it's pretty simple. Start with a fresh, clean slate. When you take all of your everyday decor down to get ready and put your fall decor up, this is a great time to clean everything and start with a fresh slate. Okay, our second tip is everything has a home. Put items away that don't belong. Anything that you're using throughout the day, put it away as soon as you're finished with it. For instance, food, small appliances, dishes. This will ensure that your space stays clutter-free and tidy throughout the day. Pro tip, use Windex to bring your stainless steel and chrome fixtures back to life and give them a great shine. For tip number 4, load your dishwasher throughout the day and run it at night. This will ensure that you keep a clean sink throughout the day and the dishes aren't piling up. At the end of the day, when you load your dishwasher and run it at night, then you can save on energy costs and water usage, and then in the morning when you wake up, you have clean dishes. Tip number 5 is to go the extra mile once a week. For example, this is cleaning your dishwasher filters, disposing of old food in your fridge, using Barkeeper's Friend to bring your stainless steel back to life. And lastly, using lemons and ice to sharpen and freshen your garbage disposal. Well guys, thank you so much for following along with me today as I decorated my kitchen for fall. I hope you found those 5 tips to be super helpful and they will help you maintain a tidy kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to Jennifer's channel for more great videos. Thank you so much again, and we'll see you next time.